Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. This is the top of the range model. They're absolutely gorgeous, they are. We'll talk you through this one. Tons and tons of bits on this. They come with full Ohlins, forks, Brembo monoblocks, fully adjustable traction, ABS, launch control, wheelie control, you name it, it's got it. It's gorgeous, is this. Pro Race exhaust, which sounds incredible, tail tidy. And it's just had a brand new set of tyres on it. Ohlins rear shock. Just an amazing bike of this. 2016 on a 66 plate. And 6,215 miles. We'll give it a start for you. Oh, that does sound good. So come on down to Jordanbikes and have a listen for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.